Hello traders! We're dealing with extremely difficult markets. We've been stuck in this trade for the last 30 minutes. We're extremely clear that this is crucial alpha Fibonacci target and this is critical support. This is not the place you ever short near. So this is the reason this is such an aggressive and dangerous market, and this aggressive and dangerous market here to stay. This is why. Institutional rally overextended. Institutional orders remain long. Bullish rally is tired. This was a dream. March 23rd. This was spectacular. Previous few weeks was breathtaking. This is not. For the next few months, market will be brutal. Market will test you to the core. With alpha Fibonacci system, we knew well before it played out that this is critical support you do not short near. Your only option to buy from, market extremely high. That's a problem. So when intelligent trader understand that this is your only option and this is your critical target, one critical target two, even in the worst market conditions, intelligent trader extremely well prepared. Ultimate precision is critical traders. Crucial. Without it, nothing is possible. This is the key. Trade with institutions and not against them. Correct? Boom. That's the power of the system. That's the power of intelligent trading. Every day, on every single trade. As you can see, with our brilliant intelligent traders. Again and again and again. And that's the power of the system. And when it comes to reversal zone and you did not move your stop outside of break even, you have a lot to learn. Gene knows that. Killing it with options in the last 2 days. Gene is unstoppable. SPY, Dow, IWM, Baidu, FXI, TLT, VIX. Boom, spectacular. Ken, 39 for 39 trades. Ken, what is it? Is it cryptocurrency? What is it? Ken trading different instruments: SPY, BTC, ETH, LTC, XLM. Stunning. Incredible work. Ken clarifies. He is trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Stellar. So as you can see in front of you, what's happening with the trade when trade reaches reversal zone? My goodness. Trade is reversing, of course. That's the reason I named proprietary alpha Fibonacci level in 2008 alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. All precise. What does intelligent trader knows? This is critical. This is crucial to the downside. Carl, second week in the course, 12 points on this trade. Amazing job. Effort starts paying off. Unpolluted mind, not afraid of effort. Serious about long-term goals, not instant gratification. This is what defines alpha Fibonacci traders. No shorts here, price is stuck. Intelligent trader knows this. That response at this level will determine markets for hours to come. If price will remain stuck here, more and more pain to come. This is not the place to enter into. This is a place to exit your long. We knew it before price reached this level, correct? Just like we know, no matter what you trade, it's exact same thing. And if markets start selling off, it's a gift. Pain is over. It never gets old, I promise. Market is flawless. We are not. We're filled with greed and ego, instant gratification, testosterone, delayed, junky indicators, all sort of baggage. You do not need anything else. You only need pure price and Fibonacci every day on every trade. That's it. It's black and white. Market is perfect, formed by alpha Fibonacci puzzle. You do not need anything else, no matter what you trade. And that's what students proving every single day. Amazing job, everyone. Everyone trades different account, different instrument, different lot size. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. So instantly price bounced from support. Market stuck in a lot of pain. Intelligent trader done with long. Intelligent trader monitors for meaningful short. If there is no meaningful short present, intelligent trader never enters into alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is the exit for long, not the entry. Entry for long from alpha Fibonacci support. Not into brick wall, not into reversal zone. Even during the worst market conditions, systems show you ultimate precision, ultimate power, ultimate reminder. Fibonacci is a natural sequence, is predictive sequence, is not delayed, looks excellent before price reaches the target, not after. We knew it well before it happened. As we know, well before it happened. So again, we knew extremely well where long will reverse, correct? Now we know extremely well we are in the exact same place as we discussed well before trading room open. This is your trading range. This is a brutal market. Intelligent trader knows this. Intelligent trader knows institutions buying every pullback. Intelligent trader knows the danger of this support and never shorting near. So if you're trading with institutions and not against them, you're always on the right side of the market. You're conquering your desire to short with testosterone. You're using your brain. You're using your intelligence. You're trading markets as chess game. And that's the power of proprietary alpha Fibonacci system. To this day, I developed 32 strategies. To this day, I developed 12 different packages of software. What I teach in our core course is absolutely crucial core of all of my systems. So if you want to become intelligent strategic trader and you want to trade even the worst of the markets, I look forward working with you. So please review new podcasts coming every weekend on the podcast section. Traders who care about one another, inspiring with their stories, sharing their journeys, making this world a better place, sharing and showing what's possible if you make an effort. If you are not afraid of pain, if you're ready to say ciao to your past, if you're ready to say goodbye to junky indicators and ready to trade pure price, as top institutional traders do, I look forward working with you. More information on the reviews section. And this is the major reason I love what I do, as those who making an effort do this. Do this. After 20 plus years of trying. So, and when you invite me to your wedding, I will come. Doesn't matter if you're waiting in Dubai. Doesn't matter if you're waiting in Israel or London. I will be there. I promise. Thank you, traders. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Markets talk as expected. More of this for months and months and months to come.